Hi all. So in this video we are going to see the CloudFormation service in AWS. See, the moment I search for CloudFormation, it's going to create and manage resources with templates. So using templates, we could able to provision the infrastructure, and we can manage the existing provisioned infrastructure in AWS. Let's try to uh, get the FAQs on CloudFormation. Just I want to give the definition of the cloud formation. So it is a service that gives developer and businesses easy way to create and collection of related AWS third-party resources and provision and manage them in orderly and predictable fashion. This is the keyword, provision and manage. Okay, let's try to create a simple S3 bucket using cloud formation. Okay, for that I need to click on this cloud formation. So in cloud formation, everything is handled using the stacks. So let me try to create stacks. How to navigate to this means click on this and create stack. So if you have the YAML code ready, YAML or JSON code ready and handy with you, we can directly check this option. Template is ready, or we can use the sample templates. All the available templates are all the ready-made templates are available here, like lampstand, WordPress, blog, and everything. And currently, if you want to draw from the, scratch, you can use the create template in designer, but it will be very basic level. Could be useful for beginners who want to explore more on cloud formation using this visual editor. See, the click on S3, and if I click drop and drag the bucket here, it will auto generate a manifest code for us. See, this is the code. It will be auto generated. So how to upload this means there is option, click here, create a stack. So it will create a stack for us. We can able to check the code, template code. Once we create the stack, see, it will create a S3 bucket. In this bucket it will keep the code. We'll see what is the code present here, and we need to provide a name to this stack. What is the name? My first stack. Okay, and the for S3 bucket we can keep the name like this, and remaining values I am keep it as it is. And finally let me try to submit. So it will create a template, AWS template. In backend it will create a S3 bucket. If we can check the events here, see, creation in progress, we can check the under resources section. There is one bucket, AWS S3 bucket. It will be created as part of this cloud formation stack. We can track the events, what are the events are going on. See, creation is completed. So we can go to the resources and we can click on this. So what are the resources created as part of the cloud formation stack? It will come under the resource section. So what is the output means? We can, if we define that output in the template section, we could able to see the output here. No parameters, so nothing in the under the parameter section. See, we have only the resources tab. That's the reason we would able to see the only resources. And this is S3 bucket is created as part of this cloud formation. So what is the other S3 bucket? This is the S3 bucket created to keep the templates. I will show how it works. Okay, let's try to get this. Let me try to download this. Okay, let me try to open in Visual Studio. Okay, open with Visual Studio Code. Okay, if you open this, if you observe this, you will able to find what is this code means. The same template code which is present in my cloud formation stack. See, AWS Cloud Formation Designer and ending with 16C 3C 16.3C. So basically it will keep the template code in one of the S3 bucket. So and it will keep track of that. It will use that template basically, and using the template it will create a stack. In stack it will create that particular resources what we mentioned in the template. So in this template under the resources we mentioned like AWS S3 bucket. So that is the reason it is created in S3 bucket. So if I delete this one, what will happen? We'll see. By default, the cloud formation template retention policy is delete, which means once we delete the cloud formation stack, the resources which is created using the cloud formation stack will also get be deleted. is the default policy. Okay, let me try to refresh this whether we have one bucket or two buckets. Now we have only one bucket, which means whatever the S3 bucket that is created as part of this particular stack will get deleted, will be deleted. So now let me delete the other S3 bucket which is created to keep the templates. Okay, let's try to empty this bucket. This is basically a cleanup process. Okay, so let me delete this bucket also. Delete. Let me copy the bucket name. Delete. Okay, I hope the cleanup is completed. So if you see no S3 buckets pending, and if you check the stacks, no stacks are pending. This is one simple demo to understand how to play around with the cloud formation, how to create a stacks, how to create a resources, how to where that template of the cloud formation stack will get stored in backend. It will store in S3 bucket. Thank you. Thanks for watching.